Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. Let's start directly with pricing because this is where the contrast becomes very clear. Trolley uses a modular, transparent pricing model designed to scale with transaction volume rather than locking businesses into large bundled contracts. For tax compliance, Trolley's tax module starts at $149 per month, covering compliance in a single jurisdiction, either the US or the EU. IRS statements are priced at $2 per statement per year, while DAC7 statements cost $3 per statement per year, which keeps compliance costs predictable even as payout volume grows. If a business operates across both US and EU jurisdictions, pricing moves to Trolley Plus, which is customized based on geographic scope, transaction count, reporting frequency, and regulatory exposure. Beyond tax, Trolley offers optional modules such as Sync at $35 per month. For QuickBooks Online, Xero, and Zapier integrations, and Trust at $49 per month plus $2.50 per completed scan, covering identity verification, document collection, and fraud prevention. This modular structure is especially useful for platforms that are growing quickly because costs increase in proportion to usage rather than jumping suddenly into higher tiers. Tipalti's pricing follows a different philosophy focused on bundled automation. While Tipalti publishes starting tiers, real-world pricing is largely customized. The Select plan starts at $99 per month, Advanced at $199 per month, and Elevate is fully custom priced, but total cost depends heavily on payment volume, number of payees, currencies used, FX conversions, tax validation requirements, approval workflows, and ERP integrations. In practice, many companies only understand their true monthly cost after completing a sales consultation and implementation scoping, which can make forecasting harder during early growth stages. Feature-wise, Trolley focuses heavily on payout automation and tax compliance for marketplaces, SaaS platforms, creator economies, and gig-based businesses. It automates payee onboarding, tax form collection, IRS and DAC7 reporting, identity verification, and compliance monitoring while supporting payouts to over 200 countries. The system integrates cleanly into existing accounting workflows, reducing manual reconciliation and compliance risk without over-engineering the finance stack. On the pros side, Trolley stands out for pricing clarity, modular flexibility, faster onboarding, and strong compliance tooling that doesn't overwhelm smaller teams. It's particularly attractive for finance teams that need accuracy and control without enterprise bloat. The downside is that companies seeking a full procure-to-pay or invoice-centric AP system may find Trolley intentionally specialized rather than all-inclusive. Shifting fully to Tipalti, this platform is built as a comprehensive global payables and finance automation system aimed at mid-market and enterprise organizations with complex operational structures. Tipalti unifies supplier onboarding, tax compliance, invoice processing, approval workflows, and mass payments into a single controlled environment designed to reduce manual intervention at scale. It supports 50+ payment methods across 200+ countries and 120+ currencies, with built-in W8 and W9 collection, global tax ID validation, withholding calculations, and regulatory compliance embedded directly into the onboarding experience. This makes Tipalti particularly strong for companies managing large vendor networks, international contractors, or affiliate programs across multiple regions. Tipalti's AI-powered invoice capture, auto-coding, and duplicate detection reduce data entry errors, while configurable approval workflows help enforce internal controls and audit trails. Advanced and Elevate plans add multi-entity support, FX hedging, procurement and expense modules, and professional services for custom ERP integrations. Native integrations with NetSuite, Sage Intacct, Oracle, and QuickBooks position Tipalti as a finance team-centric platform rather than just a payments tool. However, implementation timelines can be longer, training requirements higher, and configuration complexity increases as more modules are enabled. From a pro's perspective, Tipalti excels in automation depth, global scalability, audit readiness, and enterprise-grade financial controls. Finance teams handling high transaction volumes benefit from reduced risk, consistent compliance, and centralized visibility. On the con side, pricing can escalate quickly. Onboarding requires significant internal coordination, and smaller teams may find the platform heavier than necessary for their operational needs. Looking at ratings, Trolley holds an exact Capterra rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 36 reviews, highlighting ease of use, payout reliability, and compliance efficiency. Tipalti holds an exact Capterra rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars based on 170 reviews, reflecting strong enterprise adoption, but also more varied experiences due to implementation complexity. Ratings should always be viewed in context, especially when comparing modular platforms versus enterprise suites. Final takeaway: if you want transparent pricing, faster deployment, and focused tax and payout compliance without enterprise overhead, Trolley is the smarter choice. If your organization requires a full-scale global payables ecosystem with deep ERP integration and advanced controls, Tipalti is built for that level of complexity. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more in-depth software breakdowns, and click the link below to explore both platforms and choose the solution that aligns with your growth stage and operational reality.